Grand Rising, everybody. I hope you guys are doing wonderfully today. I am about to open my package I've been waiting for about, I don't know, it feels like forever, but it's been about a week or so. But I ordered some Upful Blends, which is this amazing company that makes raw, organic, indigenous herbal blends for all types of ailments and diseases. It's helped tons of people tremendously, and it's Black owned by this beautiful young woman that is very inspiring. And she self-cured, self-treated herself for like 7 different illnesses, cured herself in a matter of months. And she's just really inspiring, and she's someone that I look up to. So I affiliate with her company. I help promote her company in any way that I can right now as a stay-at-home mom. So I'm finally getting these Sea Elements multivitamins from Upful Blends. So I'm about to open it up and show you guys. I'm so excited to start taking this, you guys. I need more energy. I need more life force. And I just want to be as healthy as possible so I can be around for my beautiful children over here who are not eating. They're supposed to be eating. So yes, let's take a look.
Say peanut butter.
Nope, not peanut butter, right?
Yeah.
What is it?
Say cashew butter.
Cashew butter. Hey, so what do you got for breakfast, Code? Can you tell me what you made? You helped Mommy make for breakfast? What do we got?
I don't know.
Well, what do you have on your plate? Didn't you help Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is it? What do you got to eat there?
This is a spider.
Go on. I'm talking about your food. Can you tell me what you got?
I got some avocado on toast and some raisin, this cashew butter log, and I did
What did you do to help Mommy?
raisins.
What about the raisins?
I don't know.
You helped Mommy do what with the raisins? What did you do?
Oh
Am I asking you too many questions?
no! Yeah, it makes me frustrated.
Well, now you know how I feel when you ask me 20 questions when I first wake up in the morning, Code. I'm just trying to make a video, and I told you before I started recording that I was going to take some pictures and record you talking about how you helped me this morning. I really appreciate you helping me this morning to make your brother's breakfast. That was very nice of you. Okay? Thank you for that. Can I have a kiss? I love you.
Love you. Whoa! That is nice. It is nice.
Gratitude. Thank you. Love these guys. Love the work that they're doing. Oh my gosh, she gave me some yarrow. That is wild. I've literally been studying yarrow. That's the first medicinal plant that I've been led to start with in this book that I'm reading. That is so wild. Anyways, the synchronicity in that. Welcome to the Upful Tribe, sending you infinite love and gratitude by Chantel. Wow. Chantel is the girl, she's the CEO of Upful Blends that I was telling you guys about, that is just super amazing and inspiring. And she hand wrote this, and she gave me some yarrow, and that's really crazy because I've literally been researching yarrow. Okay, very good, you guys. What else do we have in here? My receipt, of course. You don't need to see that. Yes, they're sea elements. They're alkaline multivitamins. And I also got some chi for the body, which is a type of tea. It's a tea blend.
Huh?
I'm not talking to you, Code.
I'm just making it.
I know I look crazy. Look, it's first thing in the morning, okay? This is me, feel me, in my natural habitat right now. Anyways, so what else do we got in here? This says, create each moment to be an upful one. A reminder that you are an infinite essence of love. You create your vibration, healing, and human experience. Gratitude for taking this human ride with us and being a part of the Upful tribe.
Ever tribe. It's a type.
And then it has like some tips on different products that they have. And here's my chi for the body tea. The tea blend is called Chi for the Body. Of course, you guys know Chi is like the... Chi is the life force. Chi is the word for the life force that they use in like Tibetan culture and stuff. Chi energy. It says here, this blend is a combination of highly alkaline roots and barks from the Amazon rainforest and Africa that have been used for over 2,000 years. It's been created to rid of stagnation in all meridians and increase chi energy, which is the vital life force energy of the universe, present within every living thing. Symptoms of various illnesses are often seen as the product of disrupted or unbalanced chi energy moving through the meridians. It serves as a powerful anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, anti-fibroid, anti-cancer, toner, balancer, and adaptogen. The herbs provide energy and oxygen to the organs and blood supporting and healing taking place, supporting those experiencing and not limited to eczema, psoriasis, lupus, STIs, HIV, cancer, radiation, fatigue, yeast, infertility, hormonal imbalance, endometriosis, low libido, and ulcers. So this is just an all-around good for you tea, okay? This is just pure goodness in tea form. I'm so excited for this. Directions, it says add 1 teaspoon of herbs to 2 cups of water in a pot. Bring to a boil and cover with a lid. Immediately turn heat to low and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Simmer longer for a stronger tonic. Consume 2 to 3 times a day for a month. Take 1 week break in between. Okay, that's good to know. So it says you can consume 2 to 3 times a day for a month, but you need to take a break in between the middle of that. So you can take this 2 to 3 times a day for 2 weeks straight, and then you have to take a break for a week. Just so you guys know, because you know that doesn't matter what it is, too much of anything is not good for you, and you need to find the balance. So we're going to try to find the balance in my chi, you guys. I'm really excited for this tea. And then also I got the Sea Elements Alkaline Multivitamin. It's literally made of, Lucius, please close your mouth. It is made of 102 minerals, all of the minerals your body is comprised of. Here is what the bottle looks like. Look at that beautiful sacred geometry on their logo. I love that for them. Trying to attract the right people to their tribe, attracting the right energy to help boost their business. I just love everything that she's doing with her business. Chantel, if you ever find this video, wholeness and balanced vibrations to you and to yours. Thank you for everything that you do, and just love. Love you, girl. So these are vegan, they're natural, they're gluten-free. And they are sourced from sea elements. Like, let me see what it says on here. Oh yes, there is sea moss in this. Actually, there's wild crafted Irish sea moss, wild crafted dulce, wild crafted wakame, wild crafted bladderwrack, and wild crafted kelp. So super clean ingredients. Anyways, yeah, so this is a natural alkaline multivitamin. It's a natural source of iodine. And it says for directions, it's for adults 18 plus. You take 2 capsules daily. You can gradually transition to 3 capsules daily if you choose. It says 5 highly oxygenated seaweed nourishing you with 102 minerals and serving to rid of mucus from the body, which we all know mucus is the cause of literally every disease in your body is due to a mucus buildup in whatever area. Dr. Sebi knew about that. And then, of course, they killed him to keep people from being healed. So yes, it serves to rid mucus from the body, decalcify the pineal gland, which you guys know. I'll have to make a video about the pineal gland, but everyone knows, well, hopefully you know, you have a third eye inside of your brain. You literally have another lens inside of your brain, and it's the pineal gland. It's inside of the pineal gland. It's located in the middle of your forehead, and you can project things inside of your mind's eye. That's how you dream and stuff. That's how you astral project. That's how you receive messages from higher self through your pineal gland. But you have to decalcify your pineal gland because a lot of the things that we do on a regular basis in society actually works against us using the pineal gland because they want us to stay asleep. So there's fluoride in our water that calcifies the pineal gland. There's fluoride in our toothpaste that also calcifies the pineal gland, processed foods, all types of things like that. So anyways, let me get back on track here. Serves to rid the body of mucus, decalcify the pineal gland, and supplies oxygen to the brain and organs, provide lasting energy, natural B12, and chlorophyll. If you're pregnant or nursing, ask a holistic professional before use. I love how they said, ask a holistic professional. Okay, and you want to store this in a dry place after you open it. Perfect. So, yes, this is the multivitamin I will be taking. I'm very excited about it. There's 40 capsules in here. You're supposed to take 2 at a time, 2 a day, but I only bought 1 jar. Oh, no, I'm sorry. There's 80 capsules in here, so it's for 40 days. So I'm going to start taking these, and I'm going to let you guys know what I think about it. So yes, that's my Upful Blends package that came in the mail today. I'm so excited to drink my tea and to take my vitamins, and my children's vitamins are on the way. They're getting their Mary Ruth Organics multivitamin and multi-mineral. The multivitamin is for the morning, and then the multi-mineral is for the nighttime. And I also got some zinc drops because you guys know that for COVID, if you are deficient in zinc, you are more likely to have a hard time with COVID if you do catch it. And so anyways, I just like to stock up on good things that help support your immune system. So I got some zinc drops for them. And they actually, the Mary Ruth company, they gave me a free thing of vitamin D3 and K2 drops for buying a certain amount, you know, purchasing a certain amount. So all of that stuff is coming for my boys, so I'm excited about that. And Cody got some multivitamin drinks. They're called Verve from the company Body Pro. And if you guys are interested in that, you can look that up. But yeah, so I am excited. Thanks for watching, and wholeness and balance vibrations to you. Thank you, Cody. Thanks for helping me remember. And yes, thanks for watching. See you next time.